Hello, my name is Senor Magico. Today, Senor Magico is going to talk about Mama's home cooking. Senor Magico remembers little Magico enjoying some deep fried guinea pig. It may sound funny, but it is yummy. Sometimes Mama would make boiled rabbit cojones. Senor Magico, he thought they were very tasty, but a little bit chewy. And then, Senor Magico's favorite dish Mama used to make, it was made with cow intestines, and you cut them up and you put them in the stew with a lemon and with vinegar. And my brother, he used to say, "You're eating cow poop, ha ha ha." But Senor Magico, he thought it was very good. Oh, wow. Next week, join Senor Magico when he talks about the first time Senor Magico tried to deep fry a guinea pig.